children, happy Sabbath to you. How are you today? I hope everyone is feeling good. Today we are going to listen to a story about Galileo. So who was he? He was a famous scientist who loved to experiment. Let's spell experiment. E-X-P-E-R-I-M-E-N-T. Experiment. So what does experiment mean? It meant that he loved to discover new things. And whenever he had a new idea about science, he would set about proving it with an experiment. His greatest discovery came in 1609. That was a long time ago, the year 1609. Galileo heard that an eyeglass maker's assistant had discovered that if you hold one glass lens in front of another and look through them, things would appear larger. So this is a glass lens, the kind that you put into spectacles. And if you hold one of them in front of another, things would appear larger. He tried it and saw that it worked. Before long, he had fashioned two larger lenses into the first telescope. Soon he was making telescopes to sell. He made one for himself and called it Old Discoverer. It made things appear to be 33 times nearer. Do you want to learn how to draw a telescope? It's quite easy. Let's draw a circle first. And then we draw two straight lines. And we join the lines. And there you have it, a cylinder. Let's draw a few more. And we can color them as well. And finally, let's draw three legs for the tripod. And there you have it. That's a telescope. So this was what Galileo invented. And one great night, Galileo turned his telescope to the sky. And he was amazed at what he saw. Instead of seeing a handful of stars, he saw thousands and thousands and thousands of stars. He saw that the Milky Way was actually a huge band of stars. And that Jupiter had moons moving around it, just as our moon moves around the Earth. He felt very small. So the Milky Way and Jupiter. Let's learn how to draw a star. It's quite easy too. First, draw one line up, one line down, and then we go to the left, to the right, and then down again. There you have a star. Let's do it again. Up, down, left, right, down. Try it. So since that night, hundreds of years ago, we have learned that the universe is much, much bigger than anyone, even Galileo, ever imagined. And did you know that the Bible is like a telescope? The more we read the Bible, the closer it brings us to God. It can reveal a God much bigger and more exciting than we have ever imagined. And He is such a powerful God. Let's read this verse. He determines the number of the stars and calls them each by name. From Psalm 147, verse 4. Okay, that's all for our story today. And thank you for listening, children. Have a wonderful Sabbath day ahead.